Welcome to our detailed guide on the new dual citizenship law in Germany, set to take effect on June 27th. This significant new law allows for dual citizenship, making it easier for residents to hold German citizenship alongside another nationality. Additionally, the residency requirements for obtaining German citizenship have been reduced, making the path to citizenship faster and more accessible. Under the new regulations, the required period of residence in Germany has been shortened from 8 years to 5 years. Moreover, for those who demonstrate strong integration efforts, such as proficiency in the German language or active community involvement, the period can be further reduced from 5 years to just 3 years. These changes offer numerous benefits. To apply for dual citizenship under the new law, you will need to meet the residency requirements and provide proof of integration efforts if you are applying for the reduced residency period. This law marks a significant step towards a more inclusive and diverse society in Germany, recognizing the contributions of immigrants and making it easier for them to fully integrate and participate in German life. For more detailed information and assistance, visit the official German government website or consult with an immigration attorney. Thank you for watching, and stay informed about this important development in German immigration law.